welcome to my video. My name is Wiltasha, but you can just call me Tay Tay. I just wanted to come say a quick hello and welcome you guys to my video. I'm doing a makeup video on the look that you see here with a nice pretty little silver eye and some red lips. And you know, my curly hair feeling so cute. And yeah, I'm so happy with the way this video, well, not this video, I'm so happy with the way this look turned out. The video, however, is a different story. It was trials and tribulations, but we got through it. There's going to be like some clips that look closer and further. It was a lot going on, but don't worry, it's still going to be good, okay? I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. Again, if you do like it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. So we're going to go ahead and get our hair out the way. First things first, we don't need that bothering us. I already did my eyebrows, and I also already primed my face off camera. I did use a Huda Beauty primer to do that. So let's go ahead and apply the foundation. I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color 17. I'm going to take my beauty blender to blend that out. Normally I'll use my Sonia Kashuk blending brush, but I want to use my beauty blender today. I prefer the brush. It's more full coverage. As you can see it like my dark marks still, and I chose not to color correct today because I really wanted to see the coverage with my beauty blender. Again, I like this brush way better, so I went ahead and added a second coat of foundation just to get some extra coverage. Alright, and of course after that, using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand, I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And of course, after you're done blending that out, you have to set it. So I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder to set that concealer. Alright, now taking my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and taking that middle shade Sculpt, I'm going to go ahead and sculpt out my face. I kid you not, this is my favorite part of doing my makeup. And after that, taking my mineral powder by Ruby Kisses that I did get from Family Dollars. I kid you not, this shit works like a dream. I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face and also wipe off that bake, okay? Broken hearts contentious. I won't fix, I'd rather leave. I'm lost and I'm found. Now from that same palette, I'm taking the shade Contour to basically bronze up my face. Now what I like to do is actually place the product all over my face, and then after I place it, I like to blend it out a little more. Now taking the shade Sculpt again, I use an angled brush to contour my nose. Taking that same brush I used to apply my mineral powder, I'm using that to blend out the contour on my nose. I was trying to get ready for the eyes. Of course, you have to start your base. I'm going ahead and apply that same Tarte concealer and using my concealer buffing brush to blend that out. Now, normally I'll set my concealer with a setting powder, but this time I decided not to. So I wanted to see how I perform without setting it. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender just to go over that blending that I did with the brush. And going into my Oakley's Deep Eye 24 Shadow Palette, I'm going to use this to do my eyes. As you see, it comes with a highlight, bronzer, and blush. But taking my Sonia Kashuk blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and dig into that color called Cake Batter and go ahead and use that to start off that transition.
Looking for a baby I can slide on. Girl, you know it's you I got my eyes on. We be going good to the morning light, cause at night don't even want the lights on. Girl, you look like something I might bite.
Now after that's done, taking a clean tapered Sonia Kashuk blending brush, I'm going to go into that color called Toffee Crunch and apply that in my crease.
Ooh, like I might invite you over. Ooh, I've been really thinking like I like you. Think I wanna wipe you. Think I might invite
Alright, I'm taking that purple right there called Jingleberry. I'm going to take that in my crease as well, just to deepen it a little more and make it a little darker without having to use a brown or a black. I decided to go with a purple because, you know, it's cute.
Understand the best time to get groovy. I'ma get you out the pennies, making clothes like a movie. We can save it when we finish. She just like a smoothie, foreign bear, think she's finished. I'm in the module like a dentist.
Now taking another clean brush, which is just another blending brush for Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to go into that color Mint Chip and apply that to the outer V of my eye. Again, I'm just making it darker, making the color deeper. And yeah, I just wanted to add some blue in there.
No, I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you over. Ooh, I've been really thinking like I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you.
So slowly, I'm just going to keep adding color to make it more pigmented. And I'm going to use each brush that I use for each color just to blend it out, add more color, make it more pigmented, as I said before. And yeah.
Need a lot of you, I can't handle. When you walking through, I gotta stand up. I'ma add you to my agenda. Ooh, babe, I know you really feel the vibe. Ooh, babe, I know I got you feeling right. You know if you slipping, then I slide. You know I gotta keep you by my side. Ooh, babe, I know you really feel the vibe. Ooh, babe, I know I got you feeling right. You know if you slipping.
Alright guys, as you can see, one of my eyes is completely done. Eyeliner, lashes, lid color, all done. That is because my camera ran out of space. I had to make more, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to show you what I did on the other eye. It's super simple. So going into that silver color called Sugar Bells, I'm going to just saturate my brush and start packing that color on my lid. That's all I'm doing. So yeah.
Eyes on, we be going good till the morning light. Cause at night I don't even want the lights on. Girl, you look like something I might bite on. Won't you hop up?
So after that, of course, I'm going to again add more pigment to the outer V. I'm going to add some more of that mint chip color, and I'm just using that blending brush for Sonia Kashuk just to create a gradient effect. Now using that tapered brush that I used to apply that purple color in my crease, I'm just going to use whatever product left on that brush just to blend the colors together, make it look more flawless and smooth.
You really feel the vibe. Ooh, babe, I know I got you feeling right. You know if you slipping, then I slide.
Now I'm taking my NYX eyeliner and my Kiss lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply that off camera. And I'm going to mix the mint chip color with the Jingleberry and just apply that to my lower lash line. And go ahead and setting my face finally. And after that, of course, I add my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up with some highlighter and things like that. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
We be going good till the morning light. Cause at night I don't even want the lights on. Girl, you look like something I might bite on. Won't you hop up in the wheel, let's take a ride. How would you like the feeling if I made you mine? I've been really thinking, girl, you know I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you over. Ooh, I've been really thinking like I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you over. Ooh, oh. Ooh, you all on me, and I'm so cool that I might freeze. And baby, it's you, that's all I need. Yeah, you is all I see, and I'm holding on your booty, just can't let go. We keep it booming, just like Metro. I keep it moving, I really think that I'm next though. She put my music on coming out on them headphones. Let me think on my decision. I ain't think about losing, cause I know that I'm a winner. You just want me to prove it, I don't think you understand it. No, I don't think you understand it. Best time to get groovy, I'ma get you out the pennies. Making clothes like a movie, we can save it when we finish. She just like a smoothie, foreign bear, think she's finished. I'm in the module like a dentist. Ooh, I'm looking for a baby I can slide on. Girl, you know it's you, I got my eyes on.